The construction industry faces unique challenges that the right planning software can help with. Managing complex projects, coordinating multiple trades, dealing with scheduling issues. Excel isn't the answer. Spreadsheets don't provide a full view of the project to accurately plan, manage, and execute the work. They weren't even built for construction planning. Hoylu for Construction was. It's software that was built specifically for construction planning by construction planning experts. Hoylu supports general project planning, lean processes, the last planner system, pull planning, and more. Hoylu is easy-to-use cloud-based software that combines whiteboarding, task management, and planning in a collaborative visual solution. It's your single source of truth for all project details. In Excel, there's no easy way to add context, such as plans, designs, or pictures. You can't even see the full project plan in Excel. Plan the project in Hoylu. Add images, maps, upload CSVs, create tasks, or import tasks from scheduling software like P6. Get real-time reporting of PPC, crew size, weekly work plans, and more. Excel can't do that, and Excel can be hard to learn, especially if you're dealing with formulas. What good is software if your crews won't even use it? We made sure everyone will like Hoylu for Construction because it has a simple interface and intuitive navigation. Best of all, owners, GCs, and trades can access the project plan anywhere, anytime. It's time to ditch Excel. Hoylu, the better software solution for construction planning. We simplify complex projects. Contact us to learn more.